Hi, welcome back, appreciate your company. Being prepared and knowing what to eat beforehand and having the right food on hand is really important for your weight loss journey. I've recommended that you seek some really good advice around eating. I saw a registered dietitian, we developed a good eating plan. I stuck with it and the weight has fallen off. I've lost over 20 kilograms in the space of 16 weeks. I'm really happy with that. Today I'm going to prepare my usual sort of breakfast I have every morning. I'm going to make 7 400ml containers of breakfast cereal. I use berries, oats and a lot of other natural ingredients, and it supercharges me and gets me through the day. About 3 cups of muesli, 1 litre of unsweetened yogurt, a bag of mixed berries, half a bag of rolled oats, half a jar of St. Dalforth's jam, tin of apples, could be another fruit, cinnamon, spread that cinnamon on, it's beautiful, ginger grated, and finally passion fruit. So now we're going to make the magic mix. Firstly, grate the ginger, give it a liberal dash. Then I've added about a tin of apples, all up. This gives it nice flavour. Passion fruit, we're growing them. This is part of our vine, and I've used 7. About a half a jar of St. Dalforth's jam. This adds a bit of sweetness as the unsweetened yogurt is really quite, well, it's not quite bitter. In goes the cinnamon, and on top of the cinnamon goes the bag of berries. Mix it in a little bit, looking good. Right, in goes 1 litre of unsweetened yogurt, and in she goes. Give the box a bit of a squeeze so you get it all out, and then give it a good mix up. Provides a lot of protein here, and that looks really good. Right, in goes about half a bag of rolled oats, and I give that a really good stir in. That's the other half of the half a bag. That's looking really good. The rolled oats gives it volume, and about 2 cups of muesli. Right, and then fill the containers. And here's me going hellbent for leather. And this makes 7 containers, and there's absolutely no waste here. It makes just enough. You get practice after a while, you know how much it makes, and this will sustain me for breakfast over the course of a week. And it's really good, extremely nutritious food. So there we have it, job done. And this is a really nutritious breakfast. It keeps me firing through the day. It's also rich in nutrients, which you really need to support you. Lots of protein, lots of carbohydrate, all the right stuff in here to make a difference. I've used this particular recipe from day 1, and hey, it hasn't failed me yet. But the most important thing is you need to get nutritious food on board to sustain your weight loss, but also to keep your energy levels high and going. And you don't want to sort of crawl through the day and suffer. If you're going to embark on a weight loss journey, make it fun, and and just watch the weight come off. Next week, I'm off to the gym. Got a gym with a difference. So hey, check it out. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe, and please come again next week. Alright, bye bye.